Hello everyone! Today I would like to introduce to you a high current short circuit testing machine produced by our company in Taiwan, Guangdong. The equipment meets the relevant test standards such as National Standard 38031. Equipment has multi-gear short circuit test. It can conduct relevant short circuit tests for different battery modules and battery packs through the equipment connected to our explosion-proof box through the bronze plate on the side of the device. Regarding the explosion-proof box, I have already introduced it in the previous video, connected to the host and test sample through two bronze metals. Run a short circuit test on the battery so as to meet the relevant requirements of customer testing. At present, our company has a large amount of stock. Welcome friends, dealers, to conduct business negotiations. Thank you.